In today's video, we are going to talk about the benefits of bitter kola in poultry farming. What are the benefits of bitter kola in poultry farming? Bitter kola offers your broiler chicken with the following importance. 1. Antibacterial property. Bitter kola natural antibacterial compound can effectively combat harmful bacteria in broiler chicken, reducing the risk of infection and promoting overall health. 2. Antioxidant effects. Packed with antioxidants like polyphenol and flavonoid, bitter kola protect broiler cells from oxidative stress, enhancing their resilience and longevity. 3. Digestive aid. Bitter kola aid in the breakdown of feed, promoting efficient digestion and absorption of nutrients crucial for broiler growth and development. 4. Immune system support. By bolstering the immune system, bitter kola can help broiler chicken fend off disease more effectively. 5. Respiratory health. The property of bitter kola may improve respiratory function in broilers, reducing the incidence of respiratory infection and enhancing overall respiratory well-being of your broiler's bed. 6. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Bitter kola anti-inflammatory compound can help alleviate inflammation in broilers, supporting faster recovery from injury or stress. 7. It improves growth. Regular supplementation of bitter kola is believed to stimulate growth and development in your poultry bed, resulting in faster weight gain and improved productivity. 8. Stress reduction. Bitter kola calming effect may reduce stress level in broilers, promoting better overall well-being and performance of your broiler's bed. 9. Antiparasitic effect. Studies suggest that bitter kola may help control intestinal parasites in broilers' beds, contributing to better health and productivity. Last but not the least, it improves feed efficiency. By enhancing feed conversion efficiency, bitter kola can help broiler utilize nutrients more effectively, leading to cost saving and improve performance. So that is the importance of bitter kola in your poultry farm. Maybe in my next video, I will show you how to use the amount of bitter kola that you need to use in your broiler's bed. So see you in my next video.